Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you'd like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 in stainless steel mid-size with a fluted bezel and silver index dial, reference 278274. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Datejust 31s, then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. The Datejust came out in 1945. It has three basic sizes for women, size 28, 31, and 36 millimeter, 31 being the mid-size. It's going to fit most women with a wrist size of between 5.5 and 6.5 inches. And it's probably the most common Datejust that ladies are buying because of the fit, size medium. It comes in a lot of different colors, variations, and so on and so forth. And it has a lot of history to it, which I can't go through all of it, but just to be a little bit brief, this model year came out, I want to say around almost about 8 years ago, 2018 or so, and it is a current model as of 2026. And I believe that it will probably continue to be a current model for the next, I don't know, at least to the 5, maybe even 10 years, because I really can't think of what else Rolex could possibly do to this watch to make it, to improve upon it or make it any better, since it's actually pretty much already the best as the watch is pretty much perfect. Okay, now that's just a little bit of a background. Now, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, the Datejust 31, they have a lot of different variations of it. They do it in all steel and white gold, which is what this one is. They do it in steel and yellow gold, rose gold, light gold, and they also do it in all precious metals, all yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, and with different dials and bezels and so on. So there's a lot of different variations. I want to say for sure there's hundreds. How many hundreds? I'm not sure. Maybe 300 or so different variations. The one that we're looking at here today is going to be at the starter of that. It's probably going to be the cheapest one. It's not going to be the most expensive either. It's going to be a starter, a basic one, which is not a bad thing though. It's not bad to have a basic Rolex, still a Rolex and still quite beautiful. This one's just going to be a steel and white gold on the bezel, and so for that reason, it's not at the most expensive range. The watch retails for somewhere around 9,000-10,000. So at least as of 2026, a little bit above retail because they're not the easiest things to get, but we can get them at JazzTime.com. So. All right, now you know a little background where this watch stands in the lineup, a little bit of history. Let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. It's 31 millimeters. My thumb and my index finger, that's 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock position. It's 31 millimeters. The mid-size is going to fit most women, 5.5 to 6.5 inches. It's all made of the case is made all out of stainless steel, which is a good thing. It makes the watch very strong, robust, and it is what houses the movement. So it makes sense that to keep the watch in this sturdy material, stainless steel. It's impervious to water because it has a crown that you screw down, and the case back is also a screw down case back. Okay, let's move on here to the bezel. The bezel here is actually made of white gold, so this is the part of the watch that is precious metal. The entire bezel is white gold, and that is a mark of distinction. This bezel is. It used to serve as a functional part to ensure water tightness, but it has since gone on to be an aesthetic component, and it's probably the most recognizable part of the Rolex aside from the crown. It's a very beautiful bezel. No other brand does it quite like Rolex, and so yeah. Okay, that's the bezel. Let's look at the dial here. Now, Rolex used to make a lot of different variations, dial with like Roman and such, but now they just make this silver one in index only. And I kind of like it better than this index because it is much more legible. You can read it very easily. It's very clean. There's not a lot going on. And it's sometimes beauty is in the simplicity. And if you look at it with a light on, you can see that the luminescent shines very brightly. And it looks, yeah, quite nice. They don't make this one. In the previous generation, they did it with Roman numerals. On for example, the pink dial, they do it in Roman and index. I'm actually going to say the index is a little bit better. It's also legible at night, which the Romans are not legible at night. So that's another beneficial thing about having silver with Roman or index markers. All right. And you have the date at the 3 o'clock, and that's the reason it's called a Datejust, not a Oyster Perpetual. But yeah, quite nice. Let's look at the bracelet. The bracelet here is going to be an Oyster bracelet. They did make this in a Jubilee. So the Oyster, I believe, makes the watch look a little bit more contemporary, a little bit less traditional, a little bit more fun, more sporty. Jubilee is also great. Oyster is also great. Just depends on which, model or style you like. This one has to be Oyster. It does have a comfort extension link, which is pretty good. It allows you to change the length of the bracelet without using any tools. So sometimes your hand gets it's hot or cold, that it stretches, not stretches, but it swells according to the temperature. And this bracelet allows you to account for that. Let's look at here the movement now. Movement is covered. You can't see it. There's a 2236 movement. It's hours or 55 hours. It's very nice, and that, yeah. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. I like the Datejust a lot. I really like it in its most simplistic form, which is what you see here. And I also like it in other configurations and dials, but I want to say silver is a good color because it really does match everything. It's not really out there like pink is, but at the same time, if you want to wear this watch on a daily basis with many different outfits, dark clothes, light clothes, whatever, even in sporty environments, this is a great watch. It's a go-to watch that ladies can use in almost every situation. Actually, I can't even think of a situation they couldn't use it. You could actually even go diving in this. It goes down 100 meters. And diving only goes to 330 meters. So anyways, it's a very nice watch. I like the size. The price point is good. It's a little bit above retail, as I said, as of 2026, because watches are hard to get and we sell at market price. But at any rate, look, I've said enough. Now look, if you like this watch and you like this review, I suggest that you buy this watch, and you can do so by simply clicking on the link in the description below, which is why we make these videos for you. So please buy it at jazzdime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazzdime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.